Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can caption a GIF and make it your own in Discord. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. You're going to need a bot to do this, so come into a Discord server which you own or have permissions to add a bot to, and click on the name and go and click on server settings. Here on the left, scroll down to app directory and the bot you want is called ESM. So type that in and get this bot here. Follow the steps to add it. And this is what I want to make a GIF with. So I'll type in /caption and click here. Then you need to go and choose the text you wish to say. So I will say hello, and then you click on this next to it and press link. Then we need to go and right click on this here and go and copy the link of the GIF. Paste it in and press enter. It will then say ESM is thinking, and within a few seconds, it will then go and create the GIF. So that's basically how you can caption a GIF and make it to your own in Discord. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.